Right, I'm still having problems with the alphaESS. Both batteries are turned off. We still haven't got nothing going into the Wi-Fi thing, and I've been told to do the battery that's nearest to the inverter. Well, if I'm right, all our solar panels are up there, if you can see them. They've all got individual inverters on them. There's an inverter on each solar panel. So what I've got to do now is just on this top battery, I presume it's the top battery because that's the main one, is turn it on and off 5 to 6 times within 10 seconds, and that should do something with the battery. So I shall now put this camera down here. There you go. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 times in about 5 seconds. Right, we've got flashing. The bottom one's still turned off, but it's supposed to turn solid red, I think it said. It's just flashing green. Right. Doesn't seem to be doing nothing. Right, I'll leave this, I'll turn it off now, and I'll go have a read and see what it's supposed to do. Back in a more. Right, I'm back and I've got the iPad. It said, could you please follow the steps below to reset the force charge the batteries one at a time. Start the battery closest to the inverter and ensure only one battery is powered on at a time. Do not power on multiple batteries together. Section 2. On the battery being powered on, press the battery button 5 or 6 times within 10 seconds. When the outer LED stays solid red, this means the battery has been successfully reset. I'm not getting no solid red line. Then there's a section 3. Check whether the inverter starts charging the battery and the system shows normal operation. And section 4. Only if charging is confirmed, repeat the same steps for the next battery if applicable. This has come from the Alpha site that actually does the battery banks. So in theory that should do it. Now why there's a green light at the bottom and one at the top, I don't know. But these batteries, can you remember what these batteries were set at? Were it 25%?
No, 15. You mean it drops down at 15?
Yeah. These batteries were set to stop discharging at 15%. So both batteries should have had at least 15% in them. Right, the green light's slowing down, but I don't know. Right, I shall turn you back off, give it a bit of time, and then I'll come back out and see what's happened. Right, it's been a good 10 minutes, quarter of an hour now. The top bars, I've got the bottom bar, the second from the top bar, and instead of a flashing red round it, it's a flashing green. But there's still no, hold on, I'll spin you round. There is still no connection to the internet there. I'm sure they used to light up. Hold on, where's my finger? There it is. I'm sure that used to light up, but not much is happening apart from that. I'm looking at the right one. Yeah, you can see it's lighting up green. The bottom one's still turned off. So I shall get back into, I'll put this on and let them know what is happening, and hopefully we'll be able to find something out. But I'm pretty sure, hold on, I'll stick it up there again. You can see there's there's 5 solar panels there. And there's another 7 solar panels, another 7 solar panels there, and they've all got, they're each individual inverters. So I don't know how that works, but wife's convinced it's got something to do with that internet connection. So we'll have to see what happens. Right, I'm inside the cupboard now where it all comes in. That, oops, if you can see it, is over to there. But this bit here has got a red light there. Wife tends to think that red light, hold on, where's my finger? That red light there goes green when the solar panels are charging the battery, but I don't know. But that's what's happening inside the cupboard. Right, this is the following day. This is as bright as it's going to be today. So, overcast. But see the bits there, they're turned off again. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got my flashing on the top bar. It's got the first bar and the 4th bar. None of the lights are lit up. So I shall give it a bit of time and then come back out and see what it does. Right, we've still got the same 2 bars on. It's been about 10 minutes and the flashing has slowed down. Right, I'll nip back in and come back out in a bit. Well, it's now been about half hour. I've still got the same 2 bars on, still flashing green on the outside. None of the top lights there are coming on. There's still no internet connection or whatever that is, Wi-Fi. Wife's tried connecting it from what she's seen on internet, but she's not getting that bit going. So we don't know what it is. Right, I'll put this to the other bit and stick it on YouTube. Hope you can help. Right, these are the solar panels, and they're all getting a bit of power, but I'll nip outside because the battery bank has turned itself off again. I'm back outside now and the battery has turned itself off, and there's still no connection on that bit.